So this is Burberry Men's Collection Spring Summer 2021. Starting with the croquis development, make a straight line, then draw an oval, then shoulders, and then whole croquis step by step by watching my video. I'm draping accordingly as per the design. For reference, you can download the picture of Burberry pre-collection 2021 Spring Summer to get a reference. Making V-neck lines and the famous plaid check. Draw this pattern with very light hands, as I always say, because there should not be any mark on the paper. Starting with the skin color, I'm coating a brown color layer, brown poster color layer all over the skin part, and then darkening it again with brown color all over the fingers, legs. First outline and then merge it. This is the basic technique of rendering: outline and then merge. Then doing lemon yellow color all over the sweater, leaving all the plaid check pattern. You have to coat this layer on every remaining part of sweater. Like this, all over the sweater. Coating bit of brown in between this two lines. Or you can leave this. Then with black watercolor or black poster color, give stripes like this. Or you can do it with black pen or black sketch. Apply with anything you are comfortable with. So I'm doing it with watercolor right now. And let it dry. Whenever using watercolor, remember to let the thing dry. Don't overcoat it. This is a high neck under the sweater. Then comes the lower. I'm coating this brown color only, very light of brown color, because in picture you can see it is not proper brown. It is quite skinny. So for that I'm doing it with brown, and then we'll add some touches of white to give the same color as in the collection. Again making this black stripes with watercolor. The main trick in this plaid illustration of Burberry's are that you have to observe the pattern. The main thing you have to play with is the pattern, this plaid check. So firstly observe it very much, that how it is going to be drawn and how it is going to be rendered. Giving white in between. Okay, so the basic coating everywhere is done. The basic coloring, we can say it is almost done everywhere over the outfit. Now we will slowly render it, we will give effects and everything. Almost done. We are ensuring that no part of white is remaining. Then take pencil color, brown pencil color, and give skin rendering. Perfect. Outlining it dark and giving effects. With very light hand you have to do this. And I am coating a layer of black also. With black pencil color you can do this. Outline and little bit merge. Take a black sketch and fill it, leaving a part in the middle to give the effect of chain. Darkening the boxes with black sketch. That is why we didn't use this black sketch before, because we wanted to give this effect that is coming now. So taking black pencil and again darkening the stripes with proper finishing. Better to outline the stripes first and then fill in the paint. Do the same technique everywhere. Every pattern, every stripe where it is available. Outline and then fill in between. With black sketch make lines, and with brown give some shades in between the stripes. You can see this texture in the collection also. Bit of brown shade is coming, so for that we are giving it with this brown pencil or brown Staedtler. You can do it with watercolor also, but for an ease we are doing with this pencil color. Giving rendering over this bottom like this, giving effects. Over the sleeves, showing proper darkness. This is the main part of finishing of an illustration. This is the main part because here we get to know what is the proper silhouette is, from where the fall is being drawn. So giving white over just above the black line, you have to give white line. Coat it again and again to make it dark. We are almost done. Then with yellow pencil, render the sweater. All over the yellow part we have to render that. We have to give effects of 4 shades, everything. Just observe wherever I am giving the strokes. You don't have to give it all over the sweater. You just have to give all over the edges, all over the folds. Doing the shoes with black sketch. Again you can do it with watercolor, but I'm doing it with sketch. and with white you just have to fill in the gap and make some dotted broken lines like this. And for hairs, give strokes like this to make it shady and shiny. You can see we are almost done. We are done with our illustration. All you have to just give is outlining with black all over the outfit, all over the skin part, everywhere. And we are done with this Burberry Men's Design Spring Summer Pre-Collection Lookbook 2021. You can check out the collection on Burberry page also. Outlining with black on the patterns also. The pattern has come out so well. The dress is looking so classy. I'm loving it. Let me know if you guys loved it or not, or if there is any doubt or something. You can comment in the comment section and let me know. You should try it at home. You should definitely do that. So easy and so simple techniques were there. I'm done. Wow. Please subscribe and support my channel for more such videos.